Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change your Apple Watch's name. So, this action is going to work on all the Apple Watches, and make sure that you have your phone connected to your Apple Watch, because you cannot do this right from the Apple Watch itself. You need to phone to do this action to rename your Apple Watch name. So you want to go to the Watch app, the main setting app of your Apple Watch. You want to click on it and make sure that you can have a lot of Apple Watches connected to your specific iPhone, to your iPhone. So if you want to rename a specific Apple Watch, as you can see, I have only one connected to this iPhone. If you want to rename the specific Apple Watch, make sure that you click on the specific Apple Watch that you want to rename. So you want to go to the general settings right here, and then click about. And now, as you can see, you have the name of this Apple Watch, and by clicking on it you can just rename it. So maybe let's go for a watch. 1, 2, 3. Done. And now, as you can see, the name has changed of the Apple Watch, and we can also check it out in the settings on the Apple Watch. As you can see, the name of the Apple Watch has changed. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!